Thank you for choosing to participate in this pre-recorded webinar on the Human Services Network, or HSNET. HSNET is a comprehensive public directory of services in the human services sector. It is also used as a collaborative toolkit for government and non-government organisations, or NGOs, to improve service delivery. HSNET is free to use and accessible from any web-enabled device, including your desktop, smartphone or tablet, anytime. This webinar, Membership and Capacity Management, is the second of 5 available and designed to help you understand more about HSNET and use the website more effectively. You will learn about registering for HSNET, how to sign in and access the member dashboard, a member search, service details and updates, and capacity management. You can become a member if you are working in the human services sector in New South Wales for a government agency, NGO, or registered private provider. Professionals accredited as private practitioners can also sign up. There is a sign-up link on the top right of the homepage. All you have to do is complete the online registration form. Your application will be reviewed by HSNET staff. Once approved, you can access the full functionality of the site. Let's take a look. First, you need to sign in. You can do that on the top right of your screen. This will bring up the member dashboard, your central or access point for everything you would like to do on the site. To manage your profile or personal details in HSNET, begin by selecting your name in the top right corner of the screen. The edit link allows you to change your details. This includes personal and contact information, your picture or job description, your groups, and your group subscriptions. You can even select how frequently you'd like to receive emails from HSNET. All the posts, events, and comments you've made and where you made them will also be displayed here. Make sure you save any changes you make before going back to the dashboard. Next, let's take a look at a member search. Searching the directory as a registered user is very similar to searching as a public user, with a few additional features. These include being able to save your searches and creating favourites. First, make sure you're signed in. Now, choose an area and service you're looking for and fill out the search fields, as you've learned to do in Webinar 1. Once you have the results, select the star icon and the record will be added to your favourites. Accessing your favourites is also simple. You can find the full list in the top menu bar next to Advanced Search. If you're a member, you can edit your service record in the directory. First, bring up your service details and go to More Information. Then choose Update this service near the bottom of the listing. Once you've made the update, it goes to HSNET staff for approval and then goes live. If you find something that needs changing, let us know by using the Report an Error link. You'll also find that at the bottom of each individual record. Changes could include a new address, contact number, or operating hours. To add your service, first select the Search tab in the top menu bar. Then simply use the Add Service link and submit your details. Just remember to check the directory before you submit the request to confirm your service isn't already there. The HSNET Capacity Display System advertises each service's current availability with a simple traffic light system. Green shows there is space, amber means to call and check, while red indicates the service is currently at capacity. Let's look at an example. We enter a search for counselling in Springwood. If a service is registered to show its capacity, this will appear on the summary screen. The listing here shows amber, which means to call for availability. The information is also repeated inside the listing with any additional information that may be available. Updating a service's capacity is simple. Start by selecting the Capacity Management tab. Any services that you manage the capacity for will be displayed here, along with their current status. To change the capacity, choose the pen icon in the Actions column. You can also add more information. And don't forget to save any changes that you make. That brings us to the end of this HSNet webinar, introducing you to membership features and capacity management. Don't forget, we have 4 other pre-recorded webinars available to take you through even more of the fantastic resources and tools available on the site. If you have any questions or feedback, you can look under the support link at the bottom of the HSNet site to locate the support documents, frequently asked questions, and how to contact us. You can email questions to the HSNet mailbox at hsnet@facs.nsw.gov.au. Provide the HSNet team with feedback via the Your Feedback widget on each page of the HSNet site, or call the HSNet team on 02 9765 5260 during business hours. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope HSNet will be an effective and useful tool for all your service needs.